on Canada because...
A boot! Not a boot. Sorry.
Hey, welcome back to Trail Trash Garage. We're in the four-wheeled vehicle, or a four-wheeled vehicle today, doing something a little different. So, up until now, this channel is focused mainly on motorcycles and ATV riding and all that sort of stuff. But today we're doing something a little different, and figured we'd film it and put it up on the channel. But we are currently driving. It's still wintertime, but we're heading to about an hour and a half to 2 hours away to trade this vehicle, which is a 2009 Nissan Cube, for a 1981 GM Chevy Rally 6. That is a van. It's got a high top. It's currently been used as a camper van. And we're gonna do a little van life, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. I drove vans in high school. My parents always had travel vans and stuff like that, and so it's a bit of a nostalgia thing for me, and it's also gonna tie into the adventure riding that we do here on Trail Trash. Well, probably last month we picked up a 1994 Chevy G20. That's got a 350 V8. It's a longer body with a high roof. It was a luxury van conversion that was done back in the 90s, actually locally here in Windsor, Nova Scotia. We went up to New Brunswick and grabbed it. Colin is currently converting that into a camper van. Full conversion with solar panel power and AC to DC inversion and the whole works, right? And because it's got a 350 V8, it'll have lots of power to pull around the trailer. We'll be taking the bikes to certain locations, being able to set up and get some riding done without needing to carry all the tent equipment, and which is fine in the summertime, but the last couple of trips we've done, being in the late edges of the season, it gets stinking cold, so the van will have some heat in it. Well, I kind of got the van bug. We're going to go look at one. I think we're going to make a deal. We're going to pick up this 81. The 350 was an option for the van series, or G10, G20 vans. This has just got the base 6-cylinder, which we'll see how it does. I'm kind of looking forward to maybe saving a little bit of the fuel mileage and whatnot. It's going to be rigged up as a light camper. I'm going to clean it up. We're going to gut it. We're going to, do it up as a light camper and haul some bikes around with it. And in the case that Colin's van's not available, I don't know. We'll see what the future holds. But anyway, we haven't filmed a lot of that other series on the ADV channel. We weren't sure how that content really fit with our current content, even though it is related. I don't know, van life people and motorcycle people maybe. There is some crossover on Instagram and whatnot that I can see on social media, but I don't know if there's a ton of it. We'll see. I'm gonna film this and my project, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe some footage that we have filmed for Colin's project will make it up as well. Maybe we'll combine it into one big video and start a new van life channel. Probably not. I don't think this guy's going to be cool with me filming anyway, so I think what we'll do is I'll pick it up after we make the deal, and I'll show you guys the van. We'll do a little walk around after we leave his place. Yeah, we'll show you what I got myself into. Hey, welcome back. Deal is done, and we're driving a camper van, boys. Woo. She's a little rough. She's gonna need some body work. That's okay, because we can do body work. Just as a note, we're driving through a beautiful part of Nova Scotia. I'm sure this is awful beautiful in the summertime. Simply gorgeous down here. Now, as you can see, well, if the lighting allows, you can see we got a little drip going on. So they've tried to repair it. It's leaking around the high top cab. So we got to get in there and we'll get all that old sealant off there and see what we're looking at. There is some rust spots through around the front windscreen, so that'll need to be looked after. We got some water leaking in over there in that window. That's going to need to be looked after. The seats aren't in great shape. Interior, somebody's been smoking in here. We got a lot of cleanup to do, but we're going to get her done. This thing is going to look bitchin'. Alright, so I'll get you a look on the outside of it at some point when I stop. I'm just trying to make it to the nearest gas station. We put about 10 liters of fuel in it, and she was on bone dry. So we'll see. I got to backtrack about 18, 20 clicks, I think, to gas station. hopefully the 10 liters I brought with me will get us there. So nothing on the will it run, because she runs, so I don't have to do anything to it. It's even got brakes, so I'll catch you guys up when I get where we're going for fuel and show you a little bit of the outside.
All right, here we go, peeps. Venting for, I think that was where the, must have been where the stove and stuff was. The flooring's kind of curled up right there. Right there. Kind of nasty. I don't know where you would. Anyway, check this out. Check this out. I mean, come on. Can I zoom you guys out a little? Oh, yeah. Shag. Oh, the shag and wagon. Look at that. Modern radio, isn't it? Somebody was a bit of a smoker. We gotta clean that out. And she's been dripping a little bit over here. We'll get that sorted. Got some cool seats to go in it, I think. Take care of these things. Oh, yeah. Sexy drawer. It's empty. There's nothing in there. Coming around the back. Propane. I got, oh yeah. Is it down here? That carpet is just, the shag is just, I mean, I'm just, oh, water pump, storage, that's what the drawer is. All kinds of cool stuff. Mattress, this is kind of, yeah, I don't know. That's kind of nasty and gross and a little bit wet. Oh, if you guys had smell-o-vision. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Would that shake a little bit? Oh, that. Oh, I gotta fix that. That's not tight. Whew. Not a stitch of air in that tire. That tire is not going to hold air. That's janky. Yeah, we'll fix that. We'll fix that. All right. Rally wheels. Glory hole. Yeah. Anyway. Little stuff there. We got a little paint peeling there. Clean that stuff up. Biggest concerns are these front quarter panels. I don't know what's underneath that mess of shit right there. That's all gonna need to be redressed. But these panels are available, so I don't know. Like that one's got, it's got some weight reduction there, weight reduction there, weight reduction there. So we're probably gonna take this off, see if we can save that. New panel. This one's a little better, I think. A Bondo there. We'll see. We'll see what's there. It's a little better. Might be a couple front quarter panels, but the bottoms of the doors are pretty good. Like they're not bad. We'll get those cleaned up and really look at them, but not bad at all. This one's just bubbling out right there a little bit, so we'll figure out what's going on there. But I mean, the wheel wells are pretty solid. Oh, never mind. The wheel wells aren't pretty solid. Quick look at this one again. Oh yeah, see, look, perfect wheel well. Why? Wish that might be all Bondo. Could be all Bondo. Anyway, so this is it. This is the beginning of Trail Trash Van Project. Trail Trash Garage Van Project. We've already got a Trail Trash ADV Van Project. We're, I don't know, going van crazy around this place, but it's all going to tie into the motorcycle riding that we do. So it's all good. It's relatable. All right. So I'll catch you in the next video, guys. I know we're in Canada because...
A boot. Not a boot. Sorry.